Welcome to Review Lab. The best Panasonic cordless iron is probably one of the most convenient and efficient tools you can add to your laundry routine, offering unparalleled freedom of movement without the hassle of a tangled cord. Imagine gliding effortlessly over your clothes, reaching every corner and crease with ease, and enjoying a smoother, faster ironing experience that leaves your garments looking professionally pressed. This innovative design not only simplifies the ironing process but also enhances safety by eliminating the tripping hazard associated with traditional corded irons, making it a game changer for any household. Number 5. Nori Press Travel Steam Iron. Forget the bulky ironing board. This compact iron is lightweight and designed for quick, convenient wrinkle care anywhere. Its sleek design fits easily into drawers or looks great on display, making it perfect for small spaces. Ironing is now twice as fast. It heats up in just 3 minutes and offers 6 fabric settings, plus an optional steam feature for versatility. You'll also receive a user manual and helpful tips to get started. This tool irons, presses, and steams all in one. The built-in steamer provides up to 10 minutes of continuous steam, perfect for refreshing clothes and tackling tough creases. Use distilled water for best results. Featured in top publications, this iron combines the ease of a steamer with the performance of a premium iron. Its modern design and simplicity deliver crisp, ready-to-wear looks in minutes, no ironing board required. This iron is dual voltage compatible, cruise approved, and easy to pack. It includes an 8-foot power cord, automatic shut-off for safety, and a space-saving design, making it ideal for travel and small living areas. What we like? This is the ultimate iron for quick touch-ups on the go. If you're always on the move and need to look sharp without a fuss, this is your best bet. Its compact size and no ironing board needed design make it perfect for dorms, small apartments, or even packing for a trip. What people say. The Panasonic Cordless Iron heats up very quickly and maintains a consistent temperature for efficient ironing. Its cordless design offers great freedom of movement, making it easy to maneuver around clothes without the cord getting in the way. The auto shut-off feature provides peace of mind, ensuring safety by turning off the iron when left unattended for a period. Number 4. PurSteam SteamBurst Plus 1750W Steam Iron. Introducing the SteamBurst Plus, your new go-to for powerful steam performance. It tackles deep wrinkles and smooths fabrics with ease, making your ironing faster and more efficient. With its extra-large water tank, you can enjoy up to 30 minutes of continuous steam. This means you can handle large laundry loads without constant refilling. Experience a smooth glide over any fabric thanks to the premium ceramic sole plate. Its non-stick technology prevents snags and ensures a polished, wrinkle-free finish every time. This iron adapts to every material, from delicate silks to sturdy denim. With adjustable steam and temperature settings, you get optimal care and precision for all your garments. Built with premium materials for lasting use, it simplifies your ironing. Enjoy features like self-cleaning, anti-drip, and anti-calc for excellent results with minimal fuss. What we like? For those who tackle large laundry loads, this iron offers unparalleled efficiency. If you're looking for an iron that can handle a mountain of clothes without constant refilling, its generous water tank and powerful steam are game changers. It's designed for those who want a thorough and long-lasting ironing experience. What people say. The Panasonic Cordless Iron heats up very quickly and maintains a consistent temperature for efficient ironing. Its cordless design offers great freedom of movement, making it easy to maneuver around clothes without the cord getting in the way. The auto shut-off feature provides peace of mind, ensuring safety by turning off the iron when left unattended for a period. Number 3. Panasonic Cordless Iron NI QL1000G. Tired of tangled cords? Experience the freedom of cordless ironing. It makes getting your clothes, sewing projects, and crafts perfectly pressed quicker and easier than ever before. Its curved, non-stick sole plate glides effortlessly over fabrics. The smooth surface ensures a perfect finish every time, and glue residue wipes away easily. Enjoy natural, unrestricted movement in any direction. Its precision tips make quick work of large areas and detailed tasks alike. Steam away wrinkles from hanging garments or curtains with powerful, even steam. The anti-calc system prevents stains, ensuring your fabrics stay pristine. Take it anywhere with the included heat-resistant carrying case. It's perfect for sewing meetups and stores neatly at home. Experience Japanese precision and smart steam technology. It delivers smooth, wrinkle-free results, making ironing faster and more effective. What we like. Experience the liberation of cordless ironing with this innovative tool. If you're tired of wrestling with cords and desire seamless movement across your fabric, this is the iron for you. Its 360-degree sole plate and precision tips make intricate work, like sewing projects or detailed garment ironing, incredibly easy and efficient. What people say. The Panasonic Cordless Iron heats up very quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, making ironing efficient. Its cordless design offers great freedom of movement, eliminating the hassle of a dangling cord and allowing for easier maneuvering around garments. The auto shut-off feature provides peace of mind, ensuring safety by turning the iron off after a period of inactivity. Number 2. Panasonic 360 Freestyle Cordless Iron NI, WL607. Tired of cords getting in your way? This innovative iron offers complete freedom of movement, allowing you to iron without any cord tangles. Its large sole plate is perfect for tackling big items like curtains and tablecloths with ease. Enjoy a smooth, non-stick glide over any fabric. Experience effortless ironing with its lightweight design and ultra-smooth surface. It makes pressing clothes a breeze. Refilling the water tank is simple and hassle-free. You can easily top it up without needing to carry the entire iron to the sink. The integrated cord reel on the charging base keeps things tidy. When you're done, simply wind up the cord for neat storage. With 1,500 watts of power, this iron delivers exceptional performance. It efficiently tackles wrinkles for a crisp finish every time. What we like. This iron is designed for those who appreciate both convenience and coverage. If you often iron larger items like curtains or tablecloths, its larger sole plate is a significant advantage. The cordless design combined with a user-friendly charging base makes it a practical choice for everyday use. What people say. The Panasonic Cordless Iron heats up very quickly and maintains a consistent temperature for effective ironing. Its cordless design offers great freedom of movement, making it easy to iron clothes without the cord getting in the way. The auto shut-off feature provides peace of mind, ensuring safety by turning off the iron when left unattended. Number 1. Handy Laundry Magnetic Ironing Mat. Tired of bulky ironing boards? Introducing a revolutionary solution that transforms any flat surface into an instant ironing station. It's the quick and convenient way to tackle your laundry. When you're done, simply fold it up. Its compact design makes storage a breeze, even in the tightest spaces. Perfect for small homes or dorm rooms. Keep your hot iron safe with the integrated silicone rest. This non-slip area provides a secure spot for your iron, preventing accidents while you work. Planning a trip? This mat is lightweight and folds down small, making it incredibly easy to pack and take with you. Enjoy wrinkle-free clothes wherever you go. Measuring 19.5 by 28 inches, it offers a more generous ironing surface than traditional narrow boards. Ironing larger items is now easier and more efficient. Crafted from 100% cotton, this mat provides a smooth and durable surface for all your ironing needs. Experience a better way to press your clothes. What we like. This is the perfect companion for anyone who needs an ironing solution anywhere, anytime. If you travel frequently or have very limited storage space, this mat is a lifesaver. It instantly creates a stable ironing surface on any flat area, and the included silicone rest adds an extra layer of safety and convenience. What people say. The Panasonic Cordless Iron heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, making ironing efficient. Its cordless design offers great freedom of movement, eliminating the hassle of a tangled cord. The auto shut-off feature provides peace of mind, ensuring safety during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.